What's up, everybody? Today, we will show you how to reset the oil life light on the 2007 to 2024 GMC Sierra after an oil change. This is a straightforward job that anybody can do at home. So, without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and get right to it. There are two methods to reset oil life for the third generation of GMC Sierra. You can use the gas pedal or the cluster display to do it. So let me teach you the gas pedal method first. Step 1. Put the key in the on position without starting the car. Step 2. Pump the gas pedal 3 times within 5 seconds so that it will reset your oil life. Once you're done, you can turn off the ignition and then start the engine to verify the indicator has been reset. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or try the second method. Next, for the second method, you can reset the oil life through the cluster display if your GMC Sierra has the DIC button. So let's see how it's done. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Press the vehicle information button on the side of the instrument cluster to scroll over all the way till we get to the oil life screen. Step 3. Press on the check button down until the oil life changes to 100% and you're done. There are a few methods for resetting the oil life on a 4th generation Sierra, but if you're all about speed and efficiency, the gas pedal method takes the cake. So let's go for it. Step 1. Turn the key to the on position without start the engine. Step 2. Mashing the gas pedal 3 times right quickly, and the oil life will reset. After that, you can turn off the ignition and then start the engine to verify the indicator has been reset. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or try the next one. In this section, I will show you how to reset the oil life on a GMC Sierra by using the cluster knob. Follow these instructions if your vehicle has a base level display and no steering button. Step 1. Turn the key on. Step 2. Turn the knob on the cluster to scroll through the oil life display. Step 3. Press the knob and a confirmation message will appear. Step 4. Turn the knob to highlight yes and finally press the knob and you're done. Next, I will reset the oil life by using the buttons on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, and I will focus on the dash. So let's get started. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Press the left arrow on the steering wheel to bring up the main menu. Step 3. Use the up or down arrow until info is highlighted and then press the check button to enter the menu. Step 4. Press the up or down arrow until oil life is displayed. Step 5. Press the right arrow to open the reset menu and then press the check button to select. Step 6. Highlight yes and finally press the check button to confirm the oil life reset. All right, in this section, I will show you how to reset the oil life for the 5th generation Sierra, which is equipped with an up-level display. So follow me along. Step 1. Get in the car and turn it on. Step 2. Use your right pad to shuffle over to the info menu. Step 3. Roll the dial wheel until you see oil life. Step 4. Press down the dial wheel and a confirmation message will appear on the display. Step 5. Highlight yes and press the dial wheel and you're done. This method is for a base level truck. It does not have the display options on the steering wheel as you'd find in higher trim truck models. So, let's get started. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Turn the knob on the cluster to scroll through to the oil life. Step 3. Hold down the knob until you see a confirmation message. Step 4. Turn the knob to scroll to yes and then click the knob to confirm it and you're done. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. Please subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching and see you at the next one.